So let's say that instead of having, let's say we did something like this. Float, my float result equals my float divided by 3. And then we did that and hit F5. And hey, look at that. We have some actual decimal point action going on with this float. This float does not cause truncation because floats can store data that has decimal points in them. So what we have going on here is a result of a more appropriate use of data types because we're performing division that we know may result in a number that has a remainder, and we do not explicitly want the behavior of truncation. We should use a floating point number instead. And that's really, I mean, that's really straightforward. Integers cannot contain decimal points, floats can. And I do want to point out that, and there have been a bunch of questions that I am going to get to, Jason. I know you're seeing these, and
It's all good, man.
but I am going to get to it. But first, for the sake of completeness for everyone, I do want to point out one more quick thing. I'm going to rewrite that program that I wrote before with floats instead of integers. So I'm going to say float left user value, float right user value, string text value, float result, console write, enter your first value. Whoops. Oh, what am I doing? Sorry, too much coffee.
You too? I only say that because I drank more coffee today than I probably have all week put together.
Yeah. Whoops. Okay, so let's say 10 divided by 3. Look at that. We get 10 divided by 3 is 3.3 repeating, which is the appropriate answer for this equation. So, like I said before, floats allow us to contain decimal points. They are what we should be using if we are intending on doing division, anything that can result in fractional data that is important to us.